Welcome to that channel. Today I'll be showing you every car I own in Burnout Masters.
Number 1. Holden VF GTRS W1. Number 2. 1957 Chevy Bel Air. Number 3. Holden VK Commodore. Number 4. 1997 Ford EL XR6. Number 5. Holden VL Commodore. Number 6. Holden VX Commodore. Number 7. Holden HQ Monaro. Number 8. Mazda RX-3. Number 9. 1960 Ford Mustang. Number 10. Chevrolet Corvette C5.
If you like the video, let me know down in the comments below. If you have any cars you'd like me to build, comment them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.